Ever wonder why that tomato seed packet says hybrid or why you can't save seeds from your favorite tomato? Let's talk about hybrid seeds, what they actually are, and why so many gardeners swear by them. Hey everybody, welcome back to Almost 2 Acres. Today we're demystifying hybrid seeds. And don't worry, we're keeping this fun and simple. No genetics degree required. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what you're buying when you see that hybrid label. What is a hybrid seed? A hybrid seed is created when plant breeders intentionally cross pollinate two different parent plants to create offspring with specific desirable traits. Think of it like combining the best features from both parents. The key word here is intentional. These aren't accidental crosses. They're carefully planned by seed companies to give you plants with specific characteristics like better disease resistance, higher yields, or improved flavor. You'll often see these labeled as F1 hybrids. That F1 stands for first filial generation, basically the first generation of kids from those two parent plants. So why do gardeners choose hybrids? Hybrid seeds are popular for good reasons. First, they're bred for consistency. When you plant a hybrid, you know pretty much exactly what you're getting. Same size fruit, same maturity date, same plant height. Second, disease resistance. Many hybrids are specifically bred to resist common garden diseases. This is huge if you've ever lost a whole tomato crop to fusarium wilt or early blight. Third, vigor. Hybrids often show what's called hybrid vigor. They grow stronger, produce more, and handle stress better than their parents. And fourth, specific traits. Want a tomato that's perfect for slicing? One that ripens early in short season climates? Hybrids are bred with these specific goals in mind. The one catch: you can't reliably save seeds from hybrid plants. If you do, the next generation won't grow true to type. You might get something wildly different from what you planted, sometimes good, often disappointing, always unpredictable. This is just genetics at work. Those F2 seeds, the second generation, will show all kinds of variation from the grandparent plants. So if you want that same tomato next year, you'll need to buy seeds again, the hybrid kind. Popular examples. Let's talk tomatoes because that's where most gardeners encounter hybrids. Here are some rock stars. Big Beef. This is probably one of the most popular hybrid slicing tomatoes out there. Large, meaty fruits with excellent flavor, and it's resistant to multiple diseases. It's a workhorse in the garden. Early Girl, a go-to for short-season gardeners. This hybrid produces medium-sized tomatoes in about 50 to 60 days, which is impressively fast. Great flavor, too. Celebrity, another fantastic all-purpose tomato. Good disease resistance, reliable production, and it handles a wide range of climates well. Better Boy lives up to its name. Large fruits, good yields, and strong disease resistance. It's been a garden favorite for decades. Sun Sugar. If you love cherry tomatoes, this hybrid is like candy. Super sweet, prolific, and crack resistant. I don't eat raw tomatoes generally, but can't get enough of this one. Pop them in my mouth all the time when I'm in the garden. So there it is, hybrid seeds in a nutshell. They're not GMOs, they're not bad, they're just a different tool in your gardening toolkit. Whether you choose hybrids, heirlooms, or a mix of both totally depends on your gardening goals. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Did you understand hybrids before? Comment yes or no. Until next time, let's get growing.